Picture siding, not just any siding, one that makes exterior expression authentic and reliable, delivering striking wood tones without the ongoing upkeep. TruExterior polyash siding and trim comes in a range of profiles that perfectly capture the look of home styles from cottage to modern farmhouse to craftsman. What makes TruExterior so incredible is what it's made of, a blend of fly ash and polymer resin designed to withstand the elements. Virtually no water absorption means boards never rot. It's approved for ground contact, so it can be used in many locations that other siding and trim cannot. TruExterior also undergoes extremely low thermal expansion, so it can be installed without pocketed trim. Polyash composited primed boards allow TruExterior to accept even the darkest paint colors without hesitation or expansion. It cuts and shapes like wood with standard tools without cracking, rotting, or splitting. It lets you create custom looks with a wide range of siding profiles and trim solutions. All these features add up to an amazing exterior product that can be cut, milled, glued, stained, and painted to match any style. Plus, TruExterior is made from 70% post-industrial recycled materials and gives you the peace of mind of a 20-year warranty. TruExterior proves that beauty and technology can live together in the same siding. Nothing compares.